Welcome to Mendit Tech, your channel for tech tutorials. Today, I'll show you how to create a Google account step by step. This guide helps you get started for Gmail, YouTube, or your Android phone. First, let's understand why a Google account is important. It gives you access to all Google services like Gmail, YouTube, Drive, and more. One account unlocks your entire digital world.
All right, let's create your account step by step. Step 1. Go to https://accounts.google.com/signup. Step 2. Here, enter your first name and last name. Step 3. Next, choose your username. This will be your Gmail address. For example, ollie.hassan123@gmail.com. If your chosen name isn't available, try adding numbers or dots. Step 4. Now create a strong password. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols. Then confirm it below. Step 5. Enter your phone number. Google uses it for account recovery and security. Step 6. You'll receive a verification code via SMS. Enter that code and tap Verify. Step 7. Next, add your recovery email. Then select your date of birth and gender. Step 8. Finally, review Google's privacy and terms. Scroll down and tap I agree, and congratulations. Your Google account is now ready to use. Here are quick tips to enhance your Google account security. Always use a recovery phone number or email for safety. Never share your password to protect personal information. Manage all account settings at mycount.google.com. Your Google account is now all set. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and share it. This is Ollie from Mendit Tech. Stay smart and techie.